Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, I had a company, Centurion Magnetics, send me one of the products to review. So today we're going to do some magnet fishing. I'll see you guys when I get there. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, I finally got a chance to go out and test this magnet that Centurion Magnetics sent me to review. So first thing, I'll go over what actually comes in the box they send you. The magnet, of course, and the rope. This is a 65-foot rope. It also has a carabiner on one end where you can attach it to something so you don't lose your magnet when you throw it in. I attach it to a tree and goes in and just tighten it back up. This is the magnet itself. I'll give the specs of everything because I don't know them all at the top of my head. But this is a magnet. It's a little dirty right now because I've been throwing it in water. It is very, very heavy. Heavier than what I thought it would be. This is the little pouch that comes in that you put your magnet in to actually protect it. So that's very, very useful to have. It comes with also a pair of gloves right here. They have a rubber side to them and a soft side to them also on the other side. It also comes with a scraper to scrape off the gunk off the magnet after you use it. And all of this fits into this little carry bag, which is very convenient, very good. The only thing that you have to get actually is a bucket. Shout out to Lowe's. So that's the only thing that I added on there. So what I like about it is they actually have a great tutorial in here. So all you got to do is scan these QRC codes and it'll take you to each instructional video that shows you actually how to attach this magnet to the rope. What the glue to use for the screw has to be glued, the nut on it, and they do supply all that in the box. So there's your actual glue, and there's tape that you use to tape it up. So that is one of the best things I like about it, is they do show you on how to do everything, especially a first timer like myself who didn't know what I was doing, which was very helpful. So I'll tell you how it went. It's heavy, and it was a lot heavier than what I thought it would be. The only problem that I had was finding a body of water where I could just drop it down. Everybody knows I live on Lake Erie, so all I have is a lake. I try to find some kind of bridge or something like that, and I did go down to the portion of Lake Erie, which is the bay, and found the shallow spot, but it was a lot of trees, and I kept getting snagged, and I didn't want to lose the magnet. And at the side of the bay had a metal siding, so I didn't want to play with that because this magnet would have attached to it, and it probably would have been a bear to get off. So I did go to another spot. However, I didn't film it because the dock was too thin, and if I put my tripod up there and of course knocked it over, and there goes my phone. So the only thing that the cons about this whole thing is the gloves. They're too big, but that's a minor thing. You can buy your own gloves, I'm sure. They were too loose and they kept slipping off my hands, but that's just a minor little thing, and I'm sure that's supposed to be one size fits all, but I have small hands. Besides that, I'm going to put the specs down for everything, but I think it's a learning curve as far as how to throw it and finding the right body of water. But overall, it's going to be fun, you know, and I want to try it a couple different places I may have to drive to that are creeks. But I want to do all this before the lake freezes, because that's going to be kind of hard at that point. But I wanted to do this quick review and give a shout out to Centurion Magnetics who sent this to me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I will put the specs up for you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Okay, I'm not an expert at this, but I'm thinking that from the videos I watched that I need to secure this. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, first time magnet fishing. Don't judge. It's very shallow water here. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got my first thing. I got a screw. Alright. There we go. Oh, that wasn't good. Oh, that thing is heavy. Thingy branches. I just snagged again. But I watch videos and they said when you get a snag, you just kind of walk it down the bank and it usually will come loose. So we have nothing. So I'm going to go to another spot and where I can maybe drop it, because the sides of this is metal. I went over and I tried it out. So it's not a good idea because it'll get caught on the side. So I'll see you guys at another spot. Well, I hope this video was informative. I think overall it's a great product. It was fun. It was very fun, and I think I'm going to enjoy it a lot better when I find the right body of water. And all I came up today was some fishing line and some screws, which was quite unusual. But overall, I'm looking forward to using it more.